Good evening, Saya. Here we are back again. It's 7:18 p.m. September 9th, and it's a Tuesday, as we already know. So yesterday was a Monday, so I did trade it on Monday, yeah. Oh, there's all right. It was a bit of confusion on my part. I said that yesterday was Tuesday, so not bad. So this is the running position. Yesterday, I my account was trading at about 1600 because I had lost some. So this was what I had lost. My position was at a time running in profit of 1200 bucks, but it almost cut down to cost, and after that I lost it again. And then later in the night I traded once. It's 11:14 p.m. so it's almost midnight. So yeah, I did trade it with 5 bitcoins, and it was a quick scalp, real quick. It was opened at 292, so that was all. Okay, so 11:14 p.m. September 8th, yeah. So it was somewhere around here, outside. 11:14. So yeah, I did sold this candle. I had sold it right here and booked in it with 5 bitcoins, about 120 points. So this is what I got, 600 bucks, and this is my current position, which is the only trade for today. Okay, this doesn't look very good. It had went up to 1,000 bucks, but okay, it cut my trade. I had traded it down here, 750. Took me out. Mm, so I had entered some amount over here and some over here. So that was it. 136, 111, so just 30, no, just 27, 26, 25, 25 bucks, which would be less than my brokerage. So I still lost some, but it had went up to 1,000. That's quite painful, you see. These days I'm pretty much unable to understand the market. I got to be honest, because it did show some sideways behavior over this range. So after it gave me a symbol, I waited for this one, and when it gave me again, I entered, but it doesn't seem to be going on that well. It could have held what? What do you think? Can I have hold it a bit more? Mm, because the original stop was here, 590. All right, let's buy one more. Hold it. Okay, so they've given me at least 50 point above the optimum price for this one, but can't be helped. So let's say we are holding this position now. One Bitcoin. If I had not put on trail, this would be around $500. But never mind, there was such a huge candle, so we can't hold it. Let's see if we can get the target. This is cost now. It's a bad trade because it's just around 1:2. So I would not be very happy even if I got the target, because I had 4 Bitcoins and it took me out of it, and now it's flying. So this would be about 700 bucks with my previous position, but never mind. Let's see what can we make out of this one. In the morning it rallied quite well, so I was thinking about making a position, but I thought I'll trade in the evening. only, so I'll let this one slip, which seemed to be a very bad idea because it went from 12,000 to 13,200, so almost 1,200 points. Remember the day? It was about last week that in 2 days I got 2,200 points one day and 1,200 the next day. And then my quantities were like zero point 0.4 Bitcoin or zero point 0.5. And when I'm trading with 5 Bitcoins or 4, this is not going anywhere. It's a bit painful, but it is what it is. Not much could be done. Let's see if we can get it done. Alright. I don't think I'm a very huge fan of this trade because it's a sideways zone, but if it breaks this zone, this can go all the way up. Alright, let me increase the target. Okay, there's something around here. It has rallied from 6 to now. It's not a very good market to be trading for right now. 13,200. 13,200. Oh, no, it's not this. Nothing very exciting about it. We can increase the target, but that would not mean anything because the market is not moving. But let's increase it anyway and see if we can pull something out of it. Anything. Early time frame, last candle was in fact green. So we do have a bit more confidence in it right now, but 15 minutes, it's all bullish, but the market won't go anywhere, so that's the issue for now. Alright, boys. 726. Not an excellent deposition here. Yesterday it was about 710. Yes, sir. This was the trade. 710. I had lost 400. Okay, so it went positive 1200. Then I took my SL at minus 400. Damn, minus 1600. Yeah, my position would have been roughly 3,200 bucks, but it went down to 1600. Then I gained back 5 to 600, so it's above 2000 for now. Let's see how long it holds. यार $2,000 के अकाउंट में $1,000 का प्रॉफिट आ रहा था तो आई थिंक that was a good trade already, wasn't it? Should have booked it. I was thinking about booking 500 in one, but all right, holding it for now. Let's see what it gives. This is it for now. If I made another video, we'll notify about this one tomorrow, or let's say if I made another video today, if I got a good trade, so we'll put it out in that one. So this position is open. Started at 722, as you can see it here. All right, this is what it is. Good night, sire. Take care. Stay safe.